Good morning, my dear students. I am Neha Sharma, social science teacher from DAV Police Public School. Today we are going to start the chapter Development of Civilization, class 6th, History. And in this video we will learn about the Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan culture. The very first Indus Valley site that is discovered by the Dayaram Sahani in 1921, it was Harappa. Okay, and after him R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro in 1922, and similar the other civilization were found in Mohenjo-daro, Ropar, Lothal, Kalibanga and many other places also on the bank of the river Indus and its tributaries, right? And the coins and the other material that were excavated from at Harappan civilization in Punjab, right now it is in Pakistan. Okay, they proved that it was belonged to the Indus Valley civilization. Now here you can see a map that is given in your book. You can see in this map there is a Mohenjo-daro in Pakistan on the river Indus, and after that you can see Harappa on the river Satluj. It is also in Pakistan. Kalibanga in Rajasthan, and Ropar in Punjab, and Lothal in Gujarat, right? This civilization came to be known as Indus Valley civilization or Harappan culture. Okay, it is believed that the people of the Indus Valley civilization or Harappan culture, they were the great architectures. The cities were well planned and like the modern cities of present time. Okay, the most of the cities of that time were divided into two parts, the upper part and the lower part. The upper part is known as citadel and the lower part is known as lower city, okay, or lower town also. Here I can show you a picture. In this picture you can see that the citadel is the central part of the city, and it enclosed important buildings like the Great Bath, Granary and the town hall also. And the lower town was the residential area. Okay, the citadel look like this at the center of the city and the upper or raised part of the city. Now I am going to tell you about Great Bath. What is it? Actually, Great Bath is like a swimming pool of that time. Okay, and it has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. It was built in the middle of the city. It is a deep bath around 12 meter long, 7 meter width, and the maximum depth of it is 2.4 meter, and it has steps leading down into it. It was used by the people for religious purpose. Okay, as the people of that time believed that the water to be a great purifier, and Great Bath had a well planned system of water supply also and drainage system also. Now I am going to tell you about amazing facts of that Great Bath. Actually, the brickwork was completely waterproof even at that time also. इतना पुराना था तब भी. And the floor of the tank was built with gypsum. It is like a plaster of Paris plaster and thick layer of bitumen, that is a natural tar. Okay, that's why it is waterproof. So it proves that the people of Indus Valley civilization were great architectures, right? Yes, because the city was divided into two parts, the citadel and the lower town. So in citadel, the higher upper caste people or the rich people lived in the citadel. A high and thick wall protected the citadel from frequent floods because it is on the river Indus, so they have to protect themselves from floods. And in small town, the small merchants, craftsmen, laborers, they lived there, and here the houses were built on the either sides of two of the streets, right? And houses of that time were built with the baked bricks, stones and wood also. They used wood also, and each house had 2 or 3 stories with stairs like our modern houses. Okay, and all these streets of that time cut each other at the right angle as shown in this picture. Okay, now next we will talk about the granaries. What was that? It was built to store surplus grains. Okay, and granaries were built in the citadel, the middle part of the city, and it have been found at Harappa, Lothal and Kalibanga. Okay, and in Harappa along 6 granaries have been found, and the biggest one was found in Mohenjo-daro. And here I am showing you a picture of granary. It was the picture of granary of 5000 years old. Okay, so yes, it is one more example that prove that the cities of Indus Valley civilization were very well planned. So yes, now we will talk about the drainage system of that time. The drainage system was highly efficient to drain the dirty water out of the city. Okay, and they were covered with the bricks and stones which could be removed, and they can clean their drainage systems. Okay, and the small drains of the bathroom and the kitchen were joined to the main drain of the house, and which in turn fell into the big drain of the city as shown in the picture. Okay, so the drainage system was also very good. And all these examples, like whether it is a citadel, lower town, great bath, granaries, and drainage system of that time, these all prove that they were great architectures. So yes, this is all about the details of the city planning of Indus Valley civilization, today's topic. Thank you so much.